Good morning, how are you today? I hope all of you are always in good condition as usual. Welcome back to Computer 5 learning video. In this video, we are going to make a diagram for Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's check this video out. Here I have data in Microsoft Excel. You can see that there are my data here. I have put my name in the top of my data, and then the data is about penjualan kendaraan bermotor racing motor, and then there is the type of motor Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki, and then this row for the month of the selling: January, February, March, and April. And these are the amount of the selling unit. Yamaha sells 45 units. Honda in January sells 73 units. Okay. From this data, we are going to make a diagram. How can we make a diagram for this data? Okay, the first one, you have to block all of your data from the title, okay, until the end. And then the next step is you go to insert menu. Then you can see charts here. Charts and diagram are the same type. Okay, you may click the small arrow here. You can see recommended charts and all charts. Please choose all charts, and then you can choose the charts that you want or diagram that you want. Okay, because this is for the sample, I would like to choose the simple one here. Now I will choose this one, column. Okay, and I will click OK. Now it will be automatically appear for your sheet or your data. Okay, let's check. For January, blue is Yamaha here. January, the selling unit is 45 and the chart is in the middle of 50 and 40, so it means that 45, right? And then for Honda is orange 73. You can check 73. You can make it larger or smaller by dragging the arrow in the corner here. Okay. And of course you can change the theme of your chart or your diagram. You just click this one, and then you may choose one of them. This one, this one, this one, okay. Or this one maybe. You may choose one of them that you want. Okay, then click. Okay, and don't forget to put the chart title here. Penjualan kendaraan bermotor racing motor. The chart title should be the same as your title of the data. Okay. Okay. That's all the video of chart or diagram making. I hope you can make the diagram or the chart by yourself. For your task, please open your LKS page 48. Open your LKS page 48 and do the data there and make a chart from the data. Okay. to LKS page 48 and make a chart or diagram for the data. Okay, that's all for the Computer 5 learning video today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next video and goodbye.